Hey engineers, I'm sure you've played plenty of board games and have seen similar game pieces like the one on my screen. You've probably played Sorry and other games that require these little player pieces. For this assignment, I'm not going to give you the exact dimensions. I kind of want you to get creative and make your own. But I'm going to show you the sketch I made. So I'm going to right click, edit sketch. So you can see kind of what I did. We have a axis line here, so that's just one straight line down the middle. And then we have shapes extended off of it. And you'll notice it's not, it's not larger than 1 inch. This is 0.75 inches. And it's a small piece, really, with some curves. It's like smooth. It's not anything jaggedy or sharp. That way, when you're playing it, you're not stabbing your fingers or anything. What I want you to do is come up with your own shape. Come up with your own half of a shape, and then I'll show you what happens when you do that revolution. So let me edit this feature, and I'm going to just close that right there. So when you're 3D modeling, there's this revolve button. If you have a shape like this with clearly a straight line through the whole thing and half of it is exposed on the other side, you click revolve. It's going to ask you to select a profile, so I'm going to click on that profile. And then the axis, let me just show you. So select axis. That's this line here. We've probably done this before, or this might be your first time. You click on that axis, and what you'll see is it will, go around that axis. So you see that? Whee! So that's how you see 360 degrees. Let me just click on that button. That's 360. And that's how you can make a game piece. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Create a game piece, and then I want to see it, share with friends, show each other. You can create the technical drawing for it, and the trick to the technical drawing is showing the section view of it so that we can see the sketch. That's where the information is. So that's the challenge in this. If you don't know anything I'm talking about, then you haven't done enough video lessons in order to get to that part where you're creating your own technical drawings and figuring out how to make a section view or cut a part in half to show the inside of it. So if you haven't done any section view videos, maybe you need to go back in time, find some section videos, and learn how to do that for your technical drawing. So then, once you have a game piece, if it's pretty valid, like meaning I want to 3D print it, then I might let you 3D print it because I eventually, hopefully really soon, or you've already done this, I want to 3D print these so that you can create your own board games. I've seen a lot of interest in creating board games in my classes, and I want you to explore game design and the design process and 3D printing and see what you can come up with. And then play the games, which I find very, very fun. So get lost in the sauce of creativity here and come up with some game pieces. I'm looking for one really good one that looks like, might actually come in a game board. And then come up with a few others. So do not just make one. I'm going to say make at least 3 different game pieces. That's what I'm looking for. And then we'll go from there. Maybe this will spark an interest in game design and creating board games. So good luck creating your game piece.